Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look right here. I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see more bold or more like natural glowy. Not that this is natural by any means, but it is for prom, so I did want to keep it really glam but still natural, soft, glowy. I shouldn't even use the word natural, like very soft and glowy. I love this look. I love how it came out. I'm pretty sure it's probably my favorite look. Don't quote me on it, but it's up there. I also give you tips and tricks on how to keep your makeup from lasting really long and still looking good all night. So if you like this look, then just keep on watching. Hello! Okay, so because this is a prom look, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're prepping your skin a couple days in advance, making sure you're using masks, make sure you're keeping your face hydrated, everything. So when it comes down to the day, your skin is prepped and ready to go. So now getting into makeup, we're gonna go in with two primers. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Primerizer and the Too Faced Cooling Matte Primer. So the reason I'm using both is the Smashbox one will keep my skin hydrated and give me like a good healthy look to my skin, as well as the matte primer will keep my oily parts secured, not going anywhere, because we all know that in that heat, your face can become a slip and slide really quick, and you don't want that on prom. So first I'm gonna go in with the primerizer with like 3-ish pumps and really work that into my skin. Now with the Too Faced primer, I'm gonna do a couple pumps and only put this in the spots of my face that gets oily. So my forehead, my nose, my chin, and then right around my cheeks. Okay, so we're primed, we're ready. Let's go into foundation. Okay, so for foundation, you really wanna go in with a long wear foundation. Your makeup's gonna be on for hours. Your makeup, you're gonna want to look flawless all the time, and you won't want to worry about touching it up every 5 seconds. So I'm going in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is the one without SPF, which is really important when you're gonna be taking a lot of photos. So this stuff is really good. It's so long wearing, and it really will keep your like face looking flawless. So speaking of looking flawless, you really want to make sure you're putting a thin layer of the foundation on as well. You don't want to like completely drench your face in foundation, especially because it's hot and because you don't want that thick layer on your face all night long. So I'm going to be putting a thin layer of this on first, and then any of my acne we will just spot conceal with concealer afterwards. So we still get a flawless look without a ton of makeup. Okay, thin layer foundation is done. Now I'm gonna go with my Kylie Cosmetics Concealer in Gypsum. This one, it matches my skin like perfectly. And I'm gonna go and spot conceal any of my breakouts that I feel need a bit more concealing. Okay, I look like a ghost, but now to set my concealer, I'm going in with the Patrick Star and MAC Loose Powder. Now with my Kat Von D foundation powder, I'm just gonna lightly, super lightly set my face. And this is all just making sure it stays in place. So because we want to go for a nice glowy look, I'm just going to contour it like ever so slightly with my KKW Beauty contour kit. Now going in with my Too Faced Sweet Tea Bronzer, just to give us that bronzy, glowy, sun-kissed look. That's all we're gonna do now for the face. We'll get back to it. And I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and then when I get back, we will start on the eyes. Okay, so eyebrows are done. We're gonna start with the eyes, and I'm gonna go in with this Gwen Stefani eyeshadow palette by Urban Decay. I'm gonna go in with 1987 and Harajuku. Okay, so next, to deepen it up slightly, like a little bit, I'm gonna go in with Punk. To deepen it up a little bit in the outer corner and a little bit in the crease, I'm gonna go in with Freckles by ColourPop. This is the I Love Sarai and ColourPop collab. Okay, so next for my lid, I'm gonna go in with another eyeshadow from the ColourPop and I Love Sarai collection, and this is in Vivacious. It's so sparkly and pretty. And I'm gonna load up my brush and then spray it with some Fix Plus to get it to that like extra oomph. Okay, so now that that color's on, I'm gonna go in with this fluffy brush again, no extra product, and just blend out and blend these two together. Okay, next I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter. This is the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and this one is in Diamond Dust. And while that's drying, you don't want to open your eyes fully. So I'm going to go back in with some of that eyeshadow and just dab it on. You don't want any creases. I like it. Next, I'm going in with mascara. This is the Monsieur Big by Lancome, and I'm just gonna put a small coat. So while that dries, I'm gonna go into the rest of my face, and we're gonna go in with some blush. And I'm gonna go in with this Tarte blush palette. I'm gonna take, what am I gonna take? I'm gonna take Exhilarating. To glow, I'm gonna go in with the pink highlighter from my the KKW Beauty contour kit, and my Resi highlight. I'm gonna mix the two. For lashes, I'm going in with these Slay lashes, and they look like this. I don't know the style, but this is what they look like. All right, lashes are on. We're gonna go in with the bottom lash line now. So I'm gonna go back in with the Harajuku and 1987. This thing is lips, and I'm using a matte liquid lipstick so it lasts all night. And first, I'm gonna start off with my MAC Strip Down Lip Liner. Now going in with Dose of Colors Bare With Me liquid lipstick. And for gloss, I'm gonna go with MAC Oyster Girl lip gloss. Okay guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Also, feel free to follow me on any of my social media. It's always linked down below in the description box. So that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video.